Hey guys, what's up? This is Trade Correct. This is our weekend analysis for the coming week. So this is our weekly breakdown where we come to talk about the pairs we trade and what we see in the market. All right. So this is EURUSD and this is our daily chart on EURUSD. I'd like to go to our monthly chart and weekly chart, but then it's still the same storyline from our previous video. But then let's just look at it. All right, this is our monthly chart. Market is very selling for very long time, and all we had from September last year to this point is our bullish pullback. So we're in the pullback phase of the higher time frame, and now I believe the market is ready to sell. But let the market tell me if it's ready to sell by showing me some technical patterns and all this. So market mitigated this supply here in a premium level of our monthly range. You can see that, and it's facing downward, and I'm interested in it. This month will likely close bearish, and I believe next month will be bearish to continue this bearish trend, and as I believe the pullback is over. On the weekly chart, we had this weekly change of character at this point, and um, that's the change of character I've been expecting for some days now. So on the daily chart, we have our immediate daily price range as this low and this high, and the daily time frame obviously is bullish. Looking at a macro level, you can see that the daily swing structure is bullish, but then immediate structure on the daily is bearish. We've been selling from I think July, almost August, beginning of August. Market has been falling, and we've been looking at these sales because the market is actually rejecting from a monthly supply level, swept liquidity and all that. Now, where is price currently? Price is currently at a daily sub demand, and it's a very valid demand. You can see the shift in market structure here on the daily time frame, and we look at demand points. There's this guy, which I think okay wasn't mitigated. Then there's this flip, which the price is at currently, and okay, looking at the daily time frame, you would want to say this this demand might cause a higher high. It's possible. Anything is possible. That's one thing you have to understand about the market. Anything can happen. But I want, if this high is going to create a higher high, sorry, if this demand here is going to create a higher high, I want you to give me some structural proof. Take out a 4-hour high, sweep out liquidity, give me a proper break of structure to the upside, and I'll join the buys to create a higher high. But if it doesn't do that, I'll still be shorting. So in a downtrend, in a bearish market structure, what will previous demand points do? Simple, they will simply facilitate pullbacks for continuation. Example, the market, what I mean is this: the market pushes down, moves down, mitigates previous demand, gives a pullback, and continues falling. So that's what I'm expecting until the market proves me otherwise, which I'm absolutely convenient, you know and okay with. So on the 4-hour chart, definitely on the 4-hour chart, the market is going to be falling and fully bearish. If you take out all these what's it called, objects marked here on my charts, you see the market is very bearish. And let me do that right now. Sometimes, okay, let's see. All right, so this is the 4-hour time frame, you know, and you can look and see, even without identifying your swing points here in the market, you can see this is a very bearish market structure. Break of structure at different points, pullbacks, break of structure, minor pullback. Okay, I won't even consider this a break of structure. Now consider this a whole trend, break of structure, pullback, and what is the market doing right now, and what am I expecting? So currently my now view for EURUSD is this. Um okay, the market is bearish, and I'm expecting the price to sell. Yep. But the only reasonable place for me, according to my strategy, to take sales from will be this guy right here. Why? Simply because it's the supply that broke the low, and it's at our H4 swing high. So this is our 4-hour swing high, and this will be our 4-hour swing low. and this is simply what the market is telling me right now. So within this price range, with your Fibonacci, you can see your discount and premium price, and you want to buy at low prices and you want to sell at high prices. And then I see these equal highs at this point, these two highs, equal highs, liquidity, and I'm expecting price to mitigate here, and I'll sell. So that's like all I'm looking for EURUSD this week. And if I'm wrong, and the only reason or the only condition for me to look for buys in this market is if the market does something like this. Okay, let me not avoid this. This is equal lows. You can check the price point here. It's 1.07659, and this is 1.07658. A little bit lower than it. You can see it actually swept it, but I'll still consider it as equal lows because the difference is just one pipette. It's not even up to a pip. So this is like equal lows. So if this market is going to be bullish, I will expect the market to do something like this. Sweep out these lows. London open tomorrow. Print whatever market structure wants to print within this range. This supply fails and price does something like this, sweeps this liquidity and continues going up. So for me, that will be what I'm looking for. I will only take buys when this supply fails. Until this supply fails, I'll be looking for sales. And so I have one single bias on this in this market for EURUSD. As long as we remain within this 4-hour range, I'll be looking for sales. I won't be looking for buys. And I will only look for buys when, excuse me, this is a swing low and this is a swing high. Yep. And I will only look for sales when this supply fails. That means when the 4-hour chart shifts bullish. So for me, that's my own condition for buying on EURUSD. I acknowledge the fact that this demand mitigated on the daily chart is actually valid, and it can push price higher. But I want to see what price will likely do. I'm going to take all this off. Can this chart look too messy? Yeah.